Hi everyone, here's a Homelight 30cc that I put together. I'm going to put it on my giant Goldberg Tiger. But it came off of a Back Attack backpack Homelight leaf blower. 30cc's, 2 piston rings. It was in great shape when I took it off there. But it had a short crankshaft in it that was flat on one side, so I took this crankshaft and put it in here. It's a long crankshaft that's threaded on the end there, you see. So I can put me a spinner on it real easy. But I trimmed the crankcase, the back plate, that come off of another Homelight. But I trimmed a lightweight flywheel. That's a high performance coil on it. And I put a 45-degree boot on it to shorten the wire. That's a Bennett muffler, aluminum pits muffler. That's a not an NGK, but a Champion resistor spark plug. I made the propeller hub, knurled that, and that's a tapered propeller washer, a new propeller bolt. 24mm Zama carburetor off a 36cc engine. I put a new pump in it, reworked it, and it works perfect for this. Put a carburetor bell crank assembly on it there, you see. And I've ran probably 20 ounces of fuel through it, just playing with it. But it hand starts real easy, idles 1800 RPM for days, and it gets over 8 grand with this Master Air Screw 18.8 Master Classic Series propeller. And it's 93 octane gas and 2 ounces of AMS oil. Run true. Gonna pull my plane perfect. I can't wait to get it on there. One of these 30s on our giant Super Sportster, and that thing weighs 19.5 pounds. Got a big carburetor on it, did some extra stuff to it. Y'all seen it fly. This thing here, I did a lot to it. I know what to do to them to make them go. And these 30s, man, you cannot beat these Homelight 30s. Another good thing about these Homelights is you don't need a starter for them. It's just that easy. Like I said, I've ran about 20 ounces through it. You can see there's what's left in the tank. And, you know, just playing with it. It didn't take long to get it dialed in. Well, there you have it, everyone. Homelite 30cc converted by Gary Trout and Dr. Toon. I'm going to put this on my Giant Tiger and go punch some holes in the sky. But I want to thank everyone for watching, and God bless.